Hey guys, Charles here. Just sharing with you my first flight in 4K on the DJI FPV. Man, this thing is clear. I don't know if YouTube is going to allow for you guys to see how clear and crazy this is when it processes the video, but holy cow. It's every bit of 4K. I don't know why people just spinning around having fun with these kids here in the pool. Look at this. I'm like, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Yeah, I don't know why people put a GoPro on this thing because the footage I'm getting is absolutely stunning. See ya. I don't even think I'm in sport mode and this thing's going that fast. Went up to about 600 feet that quick. Maybe 7. Man, so clear. We actually, we passed my townhouse. It was in that complex there. I'm somewhere. I'm right there. I don't mind showing you guys I'm moving in like a week, so. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful day, huh? Absolutely gorgeous. This thing over here is abandoned. I wish I had some money. I would totally buy it. Absolutely stunning. Love the DJI FPV. I'm using master air screw propellers. Love those things. They're so loud though. Everyone who was already on the fence of hating you will definitely hate you within like 7 kilometers, man. They're gonna be mad. Probably like within 3 to 5 kilometers, I would say. It's pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, at 1,000 feet, you can still hear it very well in the sky. So, at 2,000 feet on a noisy day, you would barely hear it. Anything over that, like 4,000 feet in the sky, I don't think you're gonna hear shit. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.